So you've got Proton VPN installed, and now you're wondering, okay, how do I actually use it? Perfect. In this video, I'll walk you through everything that matters, how to connect, choose a location, and the settings you should turn on to get the most out of it. By the end, you will know exactly how to use Proton VPN like a pro. Quick note before we start, if you don't have Proton VPN yet, I've left my affiliate link in the description and the pinned comment. It gets you up to 70% off the paid plans. And yes, I earn a small commission if you use it, at no extra cost to you. If you just want to try it first, Proton also has a genuine free plan, so you can start without paying anything. All right, let's jump into it. Open Proton VPN. Right? And you will immediately see the main dashboard with a large quick connect button. This is the button you will use most often. Click it once, right? And Proton automatically connects you basically to the fastest available server based on your location. So I'm gonna connect my VPN, right? And basically after a few seconds, as the status changes to protected, the app turns green and you're connected. At that point, your internet traffic is encrypted, your IP address is hidden, your internet provider can no longer see the website you're visiting. When you're finished, simply click disconnect here, right? Honestly, that's all many people ever need. But Proton includes several useful features worth knowing about. Now, sometimes you don't want the fastest server. Maybe you're traveling, maybe you want to browse from another country, maybe you want access to streaming library that's only available somewhere else. To do that, open the countries list, right? Scroll until you find the country you want, then click connect beside it. Within seconds, websites see you as browsing from that location instead of your real one, right? It's quick, simple, and works exactly the same every time. Now, one of Proton's VPN's best feature is NetShield. Instead of just hiding your connection, it also blocks advertisements, tracking scripts, known malware domains. Turn it on and you will often notice cleaner websites, fewer trackers following you around the web, and an overall smoother browsing experience. You need to upgrade in order to access them. All right? You will usually find NetShield on the main dashboard or inside settings. Just toggle it on, right? So you can see it here, the NetShield. So as I expected, that you need to upgrade in order to access NetShield. So you will even see statistics showing how many trackers and ads it's blocked. One important rule, NetShield is available on Proton's paid plans. So if you're using the free version, this is one of the biggest upgrade benefits. Now, next, enable the kill switch. This is one setting I recommend turning on once and then forgetting about. Here's why. If your VPN connection ever drops unexpectedly, even for 1 second, the kill switch immediately blocks all internet traffic. Without it, your real IP address could briefly become visible before the VPN reconnects. With kill switch enabled, that never happens. So open settings, find the kill switch and turn it on. Under basically always on VPN, you can see here the kill switch, just turn it on and you're done, okay? Now you're protected even if your VPN connection temporarily disconnects. Now, if privacy is your absolute priority, Proton includes a feature called Secure Core, right? Which you can find inside countries list, right? Normally your traffic travels through one VPN server before reaching the internet. With secure code enabled, your traffic first passes through a hardened server in a privacy-friendly country, such as Switzerland or Iceland, before basically exiting elsewhere. That extra hop makes it much harder for anyone to trace your connection. The trade-off is speed. It's slightly slower than a normal VPN connection, so I wouldn't leave it on all the time. But when you're handling sensitive work or simply want the strongest privacy possible, it's an excellent feature. All you gotta do is just turn it on. Secure Core is also available on Proton's paid plans. Now, Here's a feature many people overlook: profiles. Profiles let you save your favorite VPN setup so you can reconnect with a single click. For example, you might create US streaming, UK browsing, Switzerland privacy, Japan gaming. Each profile basically remembers your preferred country, server, and connection settings. Okay? Instead of selecting everything manually every time, you simply click the profile and Proton connects automatically. If you use the same locations regularly, this saves a surprising amount of time. Now, a couple of quick tips before we finish. First, check your VPN protocol. So open settings and leave it on smart or WireGuard, right? Those are generally the fastest option, right? And Proton automatically selects the best one for your network, right? Next, remember the difference between the free and paid plans. The free plan is excellent for basic privacy, secure browsing, encrypting your internet connection. The paid plans unlock additional features such as NetShield, as we spoke about, secure core, streaming optimized servers, P2P to rent servers, many more server locations. If basic privacy is all you need, the free plan is fantastic. If you want the complete experience, then that's when upgrading makes sense. Now, quick recap. Use Quick Connect when you simply want instant protection. Choose specific country whenever you need a different location. Turn on NetShield to block ads, which you can find here at the very top. Enable the kill switch here so your real IP never leaks. Use secure core whenever maximum privacy matters at the very top, and create profiles to reconnect to your favorite servers with one click. Master those features and you'll be getting almost everything Proton VPN has to offer. Now, if you haven't installed Proton VPN yet, or you're using that free plan and want access to all the premium features, you'll find my affiliate link pinned at the top of the description. Using that link can get you up to 70% off Proton VPN's paid plans, and you can still start with the free plan if you'd rather test it first. Offers change over time, so click through to see what's currently available. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.